Introducing the slimmest bean-to-cup coffee machine in a stainless steel finish, the PrimaDonna XS from DeLonghi. Guaranteeing the freshest cup of coffee, grinding fresh beans for every serving, tailored to your taste with 13 different grind settings. The patented automatic milk frothing carafe system provides the perfect cappuccino, macchiato or cafe latte at the touch of a button. Control at your fingertips with the touchscreen and metal touch panel. Personalize and memorize your favorite drinks with 5 drinks functions. Select the strength, temperature, milk serving, froth and coffee type to suit your taste. Using up to 15 bar professional pressure, hot water is forced through the ground coffee, perfectly extracting the aroma, flavor and crema for a full-bodied coffee. Ease of use and freshness is guaranteed with the automatic cleaning milk carafe, auto descale and rinse programs. The removable 1.3-litre tank is easy to fill and can be fitted with a water filter. The advanced thermoblock dual boiler system ensures whether you want an espresso or frothy coffee, the temperature stays hot. With exclusive hot water and manual frothing attachment, try your hand at latte art or simply brew your favorite tea. Compact enough to fit into even the tightest of spaces, this bean-to-cup machine translates your kitchen's daily needs into functionality and style. The bean-to-cup PrimaDonna XS espresso and cappuccino maker from DeLonghi.